Okay, next, we teach customers how to assemble the handle of this instrument. Let's demonstrate when connecting the handle. First, look at the connector of the handle. It has a recessed groove here. Aim at the point below this interface. It can be installed. When installing the handle, the premise is to look at this icon first, like this. This handle for needle is water line introduction. This is the corresponding handle. When installing it, it is the method I just mentioned. After aligning, plug it in directly, then tighten it with the nut. Fix it and it's done. The other installation methods are the same. I won't demonstrate it here. We follow the icons, then just plug it in. Each handle interface. There will be an icon below. It is convenient for us to identify. These are the 4 handles on one side. On the other side of the instrument, it has 5 switches and connectors. Let's talk about this. This is a cold hammer connection line. This is the handle. When we connect, it is the same operation to plug it in. Then tighten it. Then look at the icon. This is the connection of the spray gun. After the spray gun tube is connected to the handle, this is connected to a corresponding interface. This tube can be directly plugged into the hose. Here is a suction pan. The connection of the handle of the frosted suction pan. When using this tube, recommend to customers. When using, only one can be used. For example, if the customer needs to use a spray gun to add water, then connect the spray gun here. If he needs to use a frosting pan to operate, then the spray gun cannot be assembled. We assemble and connect the spray gun here. Only one of the 2 can be used. When using one of them, another interface, it is not allowed to install the pipe. Then, here is the valve adjustment for suction. It is adjusted from small and then to large. Generally, it is adjusted according to the customer's situation to adjust its suction power. This is the largest one. Then this is the connection of the radio frequency handle. This is it. Connected here. That's it. Behind the instrument, it connects the power cord to the power switch. After connecting, turn on the machine directly. Next is the assembly of the suction pan. When we use the suction pan, pull out the spray gun tube, because you can only use one of the spray gun and the suction pan. First connect this end to the suction pan. Connect the other end to the filter. Next, connect this end of the filter to the host. The suction pan is now connected. After the connection, there are some accessories. You can choose the size of the probe. First take out the filter cotton, then take a suitable diamond head. There are many types of diamond heads. Use it according to your needs. Pull the cotton into the suction head. Try to smooth the cotton. After that, then put the suction head on the suction pan. Then proceed with the operation. When installing, remember, this sealing ring must be on. Otherwise, it will cause the suction pan to leak. Then when assembling the spray gun, after taking this out, we need to plug this position in ourselves. After connecting here, then connect to the spray gun hole. Then use it. When using it, press the button. Then pull the trigger. It will inject oxygen. This storage tank. Need to add the solution to be used. Try to make it water soluble. It is more diluted. Don't make it too thick. If it's too thick, it will easily clog the nozzle. Hold this for a while. Then let's take a look. This is a needleless water gun. This is a handle that is introduced through microelectricity. When assembling this storage tank, you need to take off this lid. Then put this in here. Put it like this. Then release. That's it. When starting the operation, the product to be introduced should be installed inside. It should also be a diluted product as much as possible. Then introduce it with the current. Then let's take a look. The handles you see above. Their operation. There are those that are mainly used for current introduction. And there are some handles used with negative electrode draws. Then a double-click radio frequency head. It has an anti-wrinkle effect. That skin removal and oxygen injection gun operation. Finally, operate the cold hammer to finish. Then it is operation on the power-on interface. Here, let's first understand the buttons below. This is the start and stop button. This button is common to all controllers. This is the switch button. When we select different handles, you can switch through this, including time. Then these two keys, it is the plus and minus key. For example, to adjust the time, this is plus, this is minus. Next, press the switch button again, switch to the RF handle. The RF here, it corresponds to this handle. To reselect this handle, you can click it to start. After starting, the start will move. If you need to adjust the energy, there is a gear here. 0 is not on yet. We need to turn it on. We need to add this energy. Then when it starts, it is in working condition. We are now in the 6th gear. Press it again to stop. If you need to operate the remaining handles, we continue to press the switch key. Then in the same way, add its energy. Then click start. Click again to pause. Press the switch key again. Go to this BL microcurrent handle. Here, adjust the energy in the same way. Then start. Pause when not working. Use the next handle. This is the suction pan. That is, the operation of the frosted suction pan. When using it, pay attention to its switch. Need to cooperate with addition and subtraction, and the start key to use. Here is a demonstration. It is now closed. We need to open. It can be controlled by adding and subtracting. Now press the add button. Then turn it on. After turning it on, it is not working yet. At this time, you need to press the start button again. After pressing the start button, the suction pan is now actually working. The suction pan and the spray gun are the same. Let's demonstrate it again. The operation of the spray gun. Pause here and switch to the spray gun handle. The spray gun is the last one. The same applies at this time. After turning it on, press the start button. At this time, the spray gun can be used. Press the trigger and pull back. It starts working.